Exploring the phrase, meat and drink, a deep dive into English expressions. Hello, everyone. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the English language to uncover the meaning and usage of a fascinating phrase, meat and drink. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply love exploring idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and explore the depths of this expression together. The phrase, meat and drink, is an idiomatic expression in English, signifying something that is essential or highly enjoyable to someone, much like food and drink are essential for physical sustenance. However, its usage goes beyond the literal need for nourishment, extending into the realm of personal passions or activities that one finds deeply satisfying or invigorating. Historically, the phrase has roots in the time when meat referred not just to animal flesh but to food in general, and drink was, as it is now, a reference to beverages. Together, they symbolize the basic necessities for life. Over time, meat and drink evolved to describe not just physical necessities but also emotional or spiritual sustenance. It's used to express how certain activities or things can be as satisfying as a good meal. Let's look at some examples to see how meat and drink can be used in modern English. For an avid reader, finding a good book is meat and drink to their soul. In sports, mastering a difficult challenge can be meat and drink to a competitive athlete. For a musician, playing their instrument is often described as meat and drink, a vital source of joy and fulfillment. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various interests and passions, highlighting its versatility and depth. To use meat and drink correctly, it's important to associate it with activities or experiences that provide deep satisfaction or are considered vital for one's well-being. Here are a few tips. Think of it as describing something indispensable or greatly enjoyable. It can be used both in literal and metaphorical contexts, though it's more commonly found in the latter. Make sure the context clearly conveys the sense of essential joy or satisfaction derived from the subject. We hope this exploration of the phrase, meat and drink, has enriched your understanding of English idiomatic expressions. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication but also a window into culture and history. By learning phrases like, meat and drink, you're not only expanding your vocabulary but also deepening your connection with the English language. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to diving into more fascinating topics together in future videos.